back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be talking about how I prepare my meals and how I organize all the grocery shopping, because I only buy food for one and I think it can be a bit tricky. So I'm going to give you some tips and tricks, so let's get started. The first thing I do, because I really like eating and cooking, is to look up online recipes that I might like. So it sounds pretty straightforward, but what I do is I look for meals for one, like things like that, super basic and super easy to find. And I just try to be creative with the things that I really know how to cook and things that I find online, and try to make my own version of those new things and add those recipes to my own recipes. This way, when I cook for myself, I don't get so bored eating the same meals over and over and over. I look forward to having my own meals throughout the week, and I think it's like an incentive to do something that is healthy but rich in taste, and it's just good for you overall. So the way I make sure when I go grocery shopping that I know what I need to get is I prepare in advance with my notes on the phone the ingredients I will need for these meals, and that way I can calculate how many ingredients I need. So what I do normally is I plan the meals for about 5 or 6 days, because I know I'm gonna be eating out at some point of the week, so it makes no sense to just buy fresh food that is gonna go bad if I don't eat it, because it's gonna go exactly for the quantity I need. It's a really good tip for budgeting, because you know exactly what you're gonna be eating. Of course you can have some outliers and have some things that you want to snack on or whatever, but the meals itself I do plan it ahead. And as well, some breakfast ideas that I have, I also buy them in advance, so I don't have to be thinking, oh, I have to go now to the supermarket early in the morning. It makes no sense, right? I've been doing this for around 5 years, and to me has worked really well. I know it might sound really dull and boring to know what you're going to be eating every single week, but in terms of getting it out of your way, it's super useful. If you're a student, you don't really want to be worried about this. You want to be worried about going to class, deadlines, work, studying, like a lot of different things that are in your head. So I think it's useful to be able to be organized in this sense. Also, that I nearly forgot, I'm gonna insert a clip over here of the food that I got this week. So I just came back from grocery shopping, and I'm going to unpack everything that I got in here and also in this other bag. Let me show you what I got. So here is everything I got for this week / 5 to 6 days. So I got some fish, some mozzarella for like salad, also this, grapes, sour cream, cottage cheese for breakfast that I also use it with bread, zucchini, corn, chicken, tomato sauce, blueberries, some eggs, avocados, cashews, my favorite. I'm addicted to them. These are natural ones. Corn, cinnamon, some cheese, some tuna, some kefir that I've been trying lately, and I actually really like it. Something for the clothes, and some onions, and that's pretty much it. Of course I have some things in my pantry like rice or pasta or things like that, but that's how I organize the fresh and not fresh food throughout the week, so I know exactly what to get and I know how to budget better this way. This is like an estimation, or in case you want to have some idea. If you want me to make some recipes for you guys and see exactly what I cook with all these ingredients, let me know down below and I'll try to do that as well, because I really like cooking. Those were all my tips and tricks that I used, and I hope that they were useful for you. Please don't forget to subscribe. You can do it over here, and I'll see you next time.